Hey guys, it's SterlingW. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of this LUXE Bidet. It's a Neo 185 model and it's extremely easy to install. At the same time, this is our second one because I got one for the parents probably a year ago and they liked it so much they want another bidet in the other bathroom. So that's why I got this one. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what's inside. It should have all the tools and everything you need in there. The good thing about this bidet is that it's also does a self-cleaning mode, and it has like two nozzles, one basically meant for the rear and one meant for feminine, but we'll go over that in the video real fast. But at the same time, they also have instruction videos online. Now the tools they give you, they already have like two plastic wrenches they give you that has the 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch wrenches. They have some plumber's tape, the Teflon tape, and also some braided hose and stuff as well. The bidet is actually pretty interesting because this thing has adjustments things for when you mount it behind the toilet seat. Overall, it also has instructions and stuff, and also has videos on how to install it. It's very simple. In fact, I'm gonna go ahead and open up this manual real fast and show you the thing. Basically, the manual comes with a card and it shows you how to use it. Basically, you switch it to the water pressure, switch it to where you want to wash, and then you wash, you dry with toilet paper, and you're done. Now this one only does cold water, so basically it just taps the cold water line leading to your toilet. So very, very simple. Here is the simple thing. It just basically has a T-tap to the cold water line, as you can see. So it's actually that simple. Then you basically put it on underneath your toilet seat. It bolts into where the toilet seat mounts. So it's really, really quick and simple. There is a guard for the two spare heads, which is nice, and when the spare heads do activate, they do come down underneath that guard. And there's also a wash mode that basically washes both nozzles for cleaning. Anyways, the two nozzles, one is actually a higher angle one that actually is meant for feminine washing, and the other one's meant for rear washing. So the angle is a little different. Now opening this thing up, it is pretty cool. The knobs are chrome, which is nice, and all plastic. This whole thing's plastic, by the way. And this soft plastic thing is meant for for the signage. It's okay. The gaskets there, don't lose the gaskets. You're gonna need that for mounting the different angled, I guess, the seat mounts. Now using the top one is basically water pressure. So at 12 o'clock it's off, or yeah, it's basically off, and at 3 o'clock it's basically high pressure for water pressure. The bottom one, there is 3 modes, basically feminine, rear, and clean mode. So it just diverts the water to either cleaning it or going to different nozzles based on that one. So pretty easy. It's pretty straightforward actually. Now looking at the bottom part of it, there's the guard and stuff, but at the same time there's only one inlet. There's this for cold water. In another model we had, it actually has a hot water inlet as well, but to be honest, cold water does the job pretty quickly. Anyways guys, this is SterlingW. I hope this review of the LUXE Bidet Neo 185 was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.